Kickstart 2025, fresh spirit and unstoppable success. We all start the new year with dreams and goals, but why do some succeed while others fail? The answer is simple: habits. It's not about some magical burst of willpower. It's about the small choices we make every single day that determine our destiny. Are you ready to take control of your life and unleash your full potential? In this video, I'm going to share practical, actionable steps to break free from the chains of bad habits and forge new ones. Habits that will transform your life. We're talking about a holistic transformation, deepening your connection with God, igniting your physical health, and even mastering your financial future. Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to give you the tools to not just dream big, but to achieve big. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join this incredible journey of change. Break the chains, conquering bad habits. Let's face it, we all have them, those pesky habits that hold us back from living our best lives. But here's the thing, you are not defined by your bad habits. You have the power within you to break free. It all starts with awareness. The first step is to identify the habit that's holding you back. What's that one thing you do that you know is keeping you from your goals, from your potential? Maybe it's scrolling through social media endlessly, maybe it's hitting that snooze button one too many times, or maybe it's holding on to negativity. Whatever it is, write it down, make it real. Now ask yourself, how is this habit serving you? What is it costing you in terms of your time, your energy, your peace of mind? When you understand the negative impact of your bad habits, you'll be fired up to kick them to the curb. Remember, we're not aiming for perfection overnight. We're talking about progress, not perfection. Start small. If your bad habit is staying up too late, start by reducing your bedtime by just 15 minutes each day. Small changes, consistently applied, lead to massive results over time. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You don't reach the summit in a single leap. You take it one step at a time, focusing on the journey, not just the destination. And just like a mountain climber needs the right gear, you need the right tools to conquer your bad habits. One of the most powerful tools is replacement. Don't just try to stop a bad habit, replace it with a positive one. If you're trying to cut down on sugary drinks, replace them with water or herbal tea. You're not just depriving yourself, you're giving your body what it truly needs to thrive. And here's the key: celebrate your victories. Every time you resist that bad habit, every time you choose the positive path, acknowledge your progress. Give yourself a pat on the back. This positive reinforcement will fuel your motivation and keep you moving forward. Ignite your spirit, deepening your connection with God. In the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to lose sight of what truly matters, our spiritual well-being. Just like we train our bodies with exercise and nutrition, we need to train our souls with salah, reflection, and connection with Allah. The beauty of spiritual growth is that it doesn't require grand gestures. It's about the small, consistent actions we take each day that bring us closer to Allah. It's about making time for salah, even if it's just for 5 minutes in the morning or before bed. Imagine the power of starting your day with gratitude, thanking Allah for all the blessings in your life. Feel the peace that washes over you as you connect with your Creator, seeking guidance and strength for the day ahead. Reading the Quran is another powerful way to nourish your soul. You don't have to be a scholar to benefit from its wisdom and guidance. Start by reading just one verse a day, reflecting on its meaning and how it applies to your life. Memorizing the Quran can seem like a daunting task, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. Start with a short surah, or even just a few verses each day. As you commit to this practice, you'll be amazed at how much you retain and how it deepens your understanding of Islam. And don't underestimate the power of dua, sincere supplication to Allah. Make it a habit to make dua throughout your day, not just when you're in need. Ask for guidance, for strength, for forgiveness, for whatever is in your heart. Remember, consistency is key. Just like a small stream can carve a path through rock over time, your small, consistent acts of worship will create a profound impact on your spiritual life. Chapter 3. Unleash your physical potential. Building a healthier you. Taking care of your physical health isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good, having energy, and living life to the fullest. It's about honoring the incredible gift of your body and treating it with the respect it deserves. Exercise is one of the most powerful tools we have for both our physical and mental well-being. It's not about punishing yourself at the gym. It's about finding an activity you enjoy that gets your heart pumping and makes you feel alive. Start small. If you're new to exercise, aim for just 10 minutes a day. Maybe it's a brisk walk in the park, a dance class, or a bike ride with your kids. The key is to find something you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Remember, your body is your temple. Nourishing it with healthy foods is an act of self-love. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. And don't underestimate the power of water. Drinking enough water is essential for every function in your body. Start your day with a large glass of water and keep a reusable bottle with you throughout the day. Make sleep a priority. When you're well rested, you have more energy, you're more focused, and you're better equipped to handle stress. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Remember, taking care of your physical health is an investment in your future. It's about feeling your best so you can live your best life. Chapter 4. Master Your Money. Building a Secure Future. Financial freedom is about more than just having money in the bank. It's about having peace of mind, knowing that you're in control of your finances, and that you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. The first step to mastering your money is to create a budget. Now, I know what you're thinking, budgets are boring, but trust me, a budget is not about restricting yourself. It's about giving yourself permission to spend money on the things that matter most to you. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. Where's your money going? Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can start setting financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. One of the most effective budgeting methods is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities like housing, food, and transportation. 30% goes towards your wants, things you enjoy but don't necessarily need, and the remaining 20% is for savings and investments. Speaking of savings, make it a habit to pay yourself first. That's right, before you pay your bills or buy anything else, set aside a certain amount of money into a savings account. Once you have a solid emergency fund in place, you can start exploring investment opportunities. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth over time. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It's about making smart choices today to create a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Chapter 5. The Power of Consistency, Making It Stick. We've talked about breaking bad habits, deepening your faith, prioritizing your health, and mastering your finances. But here's the million-dollar question. How do you stay consistent? How do you make these changes last? The answer lies in understanding the power of small steps, accountability, and celebrating your wins. Remember that mountain we talked about earlier? You don't climb it all at once. You set small, achievable goals, and you celebrate each milestone along the way. Start by setting realistic expectations. Don't try to change everything overnight. Pick 1 or 2 habits you want to focus on, and break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. Accountability is crucial. Share your goals with a friend, family member, or mentor who will support you and hold you accountable. Consider joining a group or finding an accountability partner who shares similar goals. Track your progress. Use a journal, a spreadsheet, or an app to track your habits and monitor your progress. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating. Reward yourself for your accomplishments. When you reach a milestone, celebrate your success. It doesn't have to be anything big or expensive. It could be as simple as treating yourself to a movie night or buying yourself a new book. Remember, change is a process, not an event. There will be setbacks along the way. There will be days when you slip up or feel discouraged. But don't let those moments define you. Pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and get back on track. You have the power within you to achieve anything you set your mind to. Outrow, start now, live fully. A new year means a new chance. Don't dwell on past mistakes. Focus on the steps you can take today to become better. Remember, change starts with one small step, and you have the power to achieve anything with God's help. If you're ready to start, hit that subscribe button and share this video with someone who needs motivation. Let's begin this journey together.